this event is called Panaw Omegan. So this is one of the most awaited activity of the residents and also for the alumni members of the UP Omega fraternity and UP Omega Alpha sorority. The activities that we did during the day includes a lot of workshops for the students as well as for the parents. So for the students, we did an art workshop and also a lot of games. And for the parents, we had a livelihood seminar wherein they were taught how to make jam out of the native fruit crops here, specifically langka.
Sa ako nga stand bilang isang barangay kapatid sa Caraga, Cotabato. Nagpasalamat ko sa ka-organisasyon nga na diri karon gikan sa UP University. Nagpasalamat ko nga din nabot sila diri para sa community service para sa mga kabataan sa mga ginikanan nga na diri karon sa mga barangay.
Hope to make another event similar to this one, perhaps in another elementary school, and we hope for the best, and then hopefully we could get more sponsors to make this event more successful.